right, let's see what is it that you should know today. Somebody seems to be traveling or in a long distance right now. Departure. I am leaving from your life for many reasons. If your person has broken all the ties with you, if they have asked for a breakup, or they have recently or if you have recently left this particular connection, or they have left this particular connection, and you're wondering how things are going to be in near future. Will they return? Will they not return? Are they missing you? Are they not missing you? Are they with someone else, or are they not? So this video is going to resonate with majority of you people. So before I proceed, guys, my name is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. I am a tarot card reader, a numerologist, a spellcaster, a crystal healer believer, and whatnot. So before I proceed, do not forget to connect to my energies by liking this particular video and drop miracle in the comment section to connect with my energies. In case if you're looking for a tailored made session, a insight in your connection, a personalized session, the links are in the description box below. You can connect with me anytime for a personalized tailored made session for you. And in case if you're looking for a spell work, you have landed at the right channel, at the right person. I am also going to suggest the spell work after the reading is done, which particular spell work is going to be fruitful for you, is going to give you a lot of advantage. If this particular reading resonates with you, you can directly book that spell work as well. So let's start. Connect to my energies by liking this video. Take 3 deep breaths and take your person's name. And here we are. Emotional baggage. My heart is tired of getting hurt. I need space. Again, the cards are pointing me towards a breakup, space, moving on energies right now. But more than moving on energies, I do see that there is some amount of heartbreak in this particular connection. Somebody has taken space. Either you have moved, you have taken space, they have taken space, but somebody has told that, I need space. Let's just take a break right now. Loyalty. Don't try to be perfect. Just be true. I do see that somewhere down the line, I do see that the loyalty in this particular connection can be compromised. If not the loyalty, then I do see that, this person wants to be true. They do not want to change themselves, or they don't want you to change, because they want whatever whatever the situation is, whatever the thing is right now. I do see that this person do not want to change anything. They just want everything to be true, everything to be as is. Something tells me that in case if the loyalty has been compromised here, that is why probably this particular situation is forming, wherein both of you have taken a break. You have taken a break, they have taken a break, but something tells me that somebody has taken a break over here, without a doubt. Marriage, let's be together forever. Probably I do feel that, even though you guys have taken break or whatsoever, but whatever commitments you guys have had, or whatever commitments you guys have shared, it is still there. Okay, it is still there. It's just right now there is a break. Toxicity. Quit playing mind games with me. All right, so there's a lot of toxicity, and it seems like that, somebody, the you or your person, is playing mind games here, something, and that is why this loyalty card has also popped up. Don't try to be perfect, just be true. Expectation. Waiting for your reply. Hope you will understand me. Okay, so I think either you are waiting for the reply, or they are waiting for the reply, a phone call, message, anything, or maybe some communication to come in. Make promise. If you truly love me, you will wait for me. I will be back. Some travel related cards are also coming. So I do see that, some communication or something is also awaited here in this particular connection. Somebody is waiting for. Expectation. Now let's see what the tarot has to say. The oracle cards itself said a lot of things. Now what the tarot has to say, let's connect with the energies, and let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings. Three of Wands, waiting, waiting for the right time, waiting for the right time, waiting for uh, how the situation is going to roll out, how the situation is going to be. So the wait is there. Okay, the wait is going to be there in this particular connection, how things are going to play out. The High Priestess, something tells me that intuitively there are a lot of things going on right now. Okay, the Three of Wands tells me that there is a lot of weight, but intuitively you all they know that that both of you are waiting, one person is waiting, and intuitively you guys know that with the Ace of Swords the communication is going to come. Either your person will do it first, or you are going to do it first, but the communication, complete connections are not broken. That's a good thing. So intuitively both of you are aware that after a wait, after a space, the communication is going to happen, because the Ten of Cups tells me with the Marriage card in Oracle that they both of you see each other as the life partner, as your life partner. So that is going to definitely bring you guys together. And the Devil card somewhere tells me that with that fears, with that phobias, and there's some obsessive compulsive behavior as well, that tells me that things are going to be there. The Three of Pentacles, both of you will be putting in a lot of hard work. Probably somebody is going to make this connection happen, and that hard work and equal contribution will help you guys see the connection and the worth of it. Right now everything is up in the air, but it is not going to be there for long, because we have received the Fool card. That means that whatever is happening right now, it is happening for good and for new beginning in this particular connection, with a lot of things I see moving forward in the right direction. Because Wheel of Fortune is a card wherein everything, it's also a karmic cycle, by the way. So maybe this person is your karmic connection as well. So you guys are running in a loop. You connect, you disconnect, you connect, you disconnect, you connect, you disconnect. Everything, each time you guys disconnect, you always come back together with a new beginning. So the Hermit tells me that something in this particular connection needs to be sorted out, and that is why this particular space was required, so that both of you do a lot of self introspection, and both of you are able to realize the worth of each other. And then when you guys will connect, you will connect immediately, because there is a lot of pull, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of love that you guys hold for uh, each other over here. The Seven of Pentacles, but there's also a lot of weight and a lot of frustration that is going to be there in this particular connection. Lot of weight and a lot of frustration I do see. At the same point of time, I see that with the Five of Swords there's a lot of trust issues as well in this particular situation, that has been there. Probably both are being very stubborn. You don't want to lose your argument or this battle, but it seems like both of you are acting out of stubbornness, and none of you wants to back down or lose the battle over here. With the Seven of Swords I do see there is a lot of lies, and there are a lot of lies, there's a lot of deception in this particular connection, and somebody seems to be in this runner chaser dynamics as well. With the Eight of Wands I do see that the communication is going to come. All right, the communication is going to come, but at the same point of time, with the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands, both of you are controlling each other's emotions and not letting emotions take the best of you. Both of you are trying to control the situation from your end, and I do see that even though you guys will not communicate, but one person will definitely jump in with the Page of Wands and the Sun. That is going to bring in a lot of good positive energies in this particular connection, because you cannot stay away from each other. There's a lot of attraction and magnetic pull that I see that is there in this particular connection. You guys, whenever you guys are together, there's a lot of happiness, there's a lot of calmness, there's a lot of fun, frolic, and a lot of light-hearted energies that you guys share. The World card tells me there can be travel, long distance as well, but whatever negativity is there in this particular connection, that is going to be resolved. The Moon card, the Moon also tells me that there are a lot of fears, there are a lot of phobias, things are becoming quite negative over here, and things are becoming quite negative, whatever, because of the fears and phobias, and that is why none of you are taking a step forward or taking action in this particular situation. And I do see that right now you guys are hanging right in the middle, but within a week's time, not more than that, within a week's time, I do see that things are going to come back to normalcy. And with the page of pentacles, I do see a message or a call also coming in. So all in all, in this particular situation, if you are looking for deeper insights, you can anytime again call me. And in this particular situation wherein you guys are going through a breakup or a no contact situation, I would suggest love, reconciliation, and communication spell work to be done in this particular situation. And if you're looking for a marriage commitment as well, then I would suggest 21 days love combo will do wonders for you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take your leave. See you later, and bye bye.